everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So as I gave you a homework for miscellaneous question number 1, so just go see the solution. You'll find it so easy that it will give you some confidence in doing trigonometry exercises. Okay, so first is a formula for sine cos c plus cos d. Some people say it's cos a plus cos b, or some say cos x plus cos y. It means the same. Okay, the formula is 2 cos a plus b by 2, or x plus y by 2, or cos x minus y by 2. So just apply the formula in this to the last two cos. Okay, just apply the formula, and first one leave it as it is, and you see out here you get cos minus theta is equals to cos theta pi by 13. Okay, so cos pi by 13, and LHS from the first first portion also you have cos pi by 3, so you take cos pi by 13 common, and you're left with cos 9 pi by 13 and cos 4 pi by 13. Then again apply the formula for the same formula, cos x plus cos y. Okay, your x and y is your 9 pi by 13 and 4 pi by 13. Just apply the formula and see what you get. It's cos pi by 2, right? Now you see cos pi by 2 is 0, right? So 0 into anything will be 0 because everything is in multiplied, right? So everything becomes 0, which is equals to RHS. Simple, isn't it? And you make sure you just keep on copying as the video goes on, because it will just pause this video for this numerical, just do the numerical ones and then move on to the different question. Okay, it will help you understand it. Now question number 2, sine x plus sine y is equals to 0. Just try out this thing. This thing is also really easy. Just apply the formula for sine c plus sine d. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can multiply this sine square minus cos square, keep it on one side, and this sine 3x plus sine x and cos 3x cos x. This is your formula for cos x minus y, right? You see this cos x and plus sine 3x sine x, cos a cos b, cos a minus b is your cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. So just apply the formula, you get cos 3x minus x one side, and cos x square theta minus sine square theta is your cos 2 theta, right? To do the formula, this thing goes of positive negative. Simple, right? Pause the video, note it down in your copies. Okay, and people can do it in different method also. Just make sure you do it correctly, and if you think your method is bit different than what I'm teaching you, just give me a screenshot of your, give me a snapshot of your numerical in your Google Classroom. I'll definitely see and reply to you that if it's right or wrong. Okay, because sometimes doing one numerical, there are 7-8 ways of doing one numerical. Okay, now question number 3, just apply the formula cos x plus cos y and sin x plus sin x minus sin y. You can do this also, and elsewise you can expand this as they have expanded. Okay, it will mean the same. Just apply the formula, or just expand this thing. You like cos square theta sin square theta becomes 1, cos square y sin square y becomes 1, and 2 cos x cos y, this will be a formula for cos x plus y. Okay, you see this one formula, this is formula for cos x plus y. So 1 plus 1 2, and 2 comes out common. Then again you'll have to apply the formula for 1 plus cos x. Now see, x plus y has been taken as a out here. Okay, so only you can apply the formula cos x plus cos y. Why you do it this way? This thing is shorter, and that one is also shorter. Just try it. Okay, so x plus y is taken as a, so 1 plus cos a is your 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, they just applied the formula. Now see, 1 goes off, and 2 into 2 4, so cos square 4 cos square by x plus y by 2, clear, is equals to RHS. Now same is your this numerical, you this to 4 numerical, you try it that way I've told you. Okay, cos x minus sin y, you see few things will cancel, you will directly get this answer, 4 sin square x minus y. Okay, uh, 3 and 4 are same. Now see question number 5. What does it say? Now you'll have to apply the formula. Okay, this one, sin a plus b, you know the formulas, 2 sin a sin 2 sin a plus b by 2, cos a minus b by 2. So you apply the formula in the first and the third one, sin x and sin 5x, you apply this formula, and sin 3x and sin 7x, apply this formula. and just simplify this thing, you will reach out here. Then you get 2 sine 3x cos x cos 2x plus 2 sine 5x cos 2x. Cos minus theta is cos theta, no? That is why they have not changed the sign. Now you take cos 2 theta common. See, 2 cos 2 theta common, then again apply C and D, you will get this. And eventually you will receive this RHS portion. Clear? It's very simple, only matter of formulas. You keep 8 to 9 formulas in your mind and you are good to go with this exercise. Further, we'll do more tricky numericals, okay? This exercise, miscellaneous exercise, is really important for you people. Now question number 6. Same question, just apply the formula C and D. A plus, cos A plus B by 2. Same formula. Apply the formula twice and your formula, half of the things will get cancelled out. Denominator portion gets 1. You see, cos x plus 3x. Numerator also you have cos x plus cos 3x. Full goes off, you get tan 6x. Sine by cos is your tan, and theta is your 6x, and 2 goes off, which is equals to RHS. Now question number 7. Same formula you apply the last two portion, apply formula sine A minus sine B. Then again whatever you get, you take one common, sine 3x out here common, then again apply the formula. Okay, and you will reach this RHS value. See, they've applied the formula, the RHS value. Now question number 8. This is very important. There's one question in the examples. Okay, do that question first. Finding out cos theta by 2. It uses your half angle concept. Okay, question number 8. First do that exercise, this miscellaneous. You have it's example number 9, 8 or 9 maybe. Okay, just go through this sin x by 2 cos x by 2, that example, or we'll do it in next class. Okay, so make sure you copy these things in your copies and you do it on everyday basis. Okay, don't leave out pending work, it will make your work difficult later on. So I hope you understood today's video, and make sure you do copy, and if you have any doubt, do mention in the comment section. I'll try and answer your queries. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.